Hello traders, it's Andy with Trade Ideas. It is October the 4th on a Wednesday, and well, I've been saying this, and I'm sure a lot of people have been saying this. We got that looming 200-day moving average. Got close to it yesterday. I'd feel more comfortable about this gap up had we had actually fulfilled our destiny and tagged that. So you got to be careful today. Still in a very bearish tape over the last several weeks. We'll see if that continues, but this is where you can get in trouble, trying to, pick things up too soon. So keep it tight out there. We will look at some setups of stocks that are holding up well, but once again, not doing a whole lot in this market for sure. You got to wait for your pitch in this kind of environment. But anyway, let's take a look at some stocks holding up. First on the list is this SGEN. And you can see here, I mentioned it yesterday. It held that 200. Well, it did it again today. I'm sorry, the 10-period moving average. My line is in there from yesterday, looking for a break above that 5-day high there in SEGN. Another one is Steelcase, SCS. Okay, this one is one that had earnings a couple of weeks ago, and you can see it has been sloppily but holding that 10-period moving average. Touched it 2 days ago. Yesterday, tried to break it, bounced up above it. Watch that one. Maybe, maybe look around. Oh, geez, it's a tough one. You can give it a shot around 11.10 or wait for that monthly high there. One more here. Let's take a look at, what is it? Natty. No, LNTH. This is one I've got my eye on because look at that tail yesterday. Drove down at the open, tagged that 50-period moving average, closed slightly above the 200. Looking for continuation on decent volume there. So that's it for today, guys. Keep it tight out there, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.